all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Amid widespread setbacks, TikTok chief Kevin Mayer called it quits after 100 days. TikTok general manager Vanessa Papas is likely to replace Kevin Mayer on an interim basis. Kevin Mayer's resignation comes after US President Donald Trump ordered TikTok to be banned in the country. The only way out for the company is if it sells its US assets to an American company within 90 days. The TikTok chief stepping down also comes right after the company and one of its employees separately sued US President Donald Trump over the executive order. In a memo sent to the staff of TikTok, Kevin Mayer cited the sharp shift in the political environment in the US for his decision. In recent weeks, as the political environment has sharply changed, I have done significant reflection on what the corporate structural changes will require and what it means for the global role I signed up for. Against this backdrop, and as we expect to reach a resolution very soon, it is with a heavy heart that I wanted to let you all know that I have decided to leave the company. Mayer went on to write that while the company is expected to arrive at a resolution soon, he has decided to leave. I understand that the role that I signed up for, including running TikTok globally, will look very different as a result of the US administration's action to push for a sell-off of the US business. Kevin Mayer also had a forward-looking thought for the company and wrote that TikTok community will be more creative and diverse than ever. As we look to the next phase of this company, there is no doubt that the future is incredibly bright. For our users, any potential structural changes should not affect their experience, and I strongly believe that our community will be more creative and diverse than ever. ByteDance's founder and CEO Yiming Zhang in a separate letter thanked Kevin Mayer for his contribution. He also said that the company was moving quickly to find resolutions to the issues faced particularly in the US and India. I want to let everyone know that we are moving quickly to find resolutions to the issues that we face globally, particularly in the US and India. I cannot go into details at this point, but I can assure that we are developing solutions that will be in the interest of users, creators, partners, and employees. Amid growing distrust between Washington and Beijing, Trump complained that TikTok was a national security threat and could share information about users with China's government. The company has also been targeted in India, where TikTok was one of 59 Chinese apps banned by the Indian government in June following a border clash between India and China.